guys, welcome back to my channel, and even more exciting, welcome back to my New York City apartment. I am all sorts of disoriented and tired. I got in last night. I'm not gonna say late, my plane landed around 9, but I was on West Coast time, so I didn't get to sleep until after 1 probably. And then I woke up at 6:30 East Coast time. Got up and I thought I'd just be up for like a minute and then go back to sleep, but I ended up staying up for a while, and I was like, okay, there's gonna be a monsoon coming through New York today, well, a tropical storm, and I figured the earlier I was able to get groceries the better, so I decided to order a little Amazon Prime Whole Foods order to get some groceries in here because the place is empty. Turns out I had cleaned out my fridge much more than I actually remembered, which is great for me because less mess coming back. But I have some like milks and stuff I need to toss. But I mean, this was last night. I ordered Uber Eats. I got some sushi last night at like 11 p.m. I got one that I ate yesterday and one just as a leftover because I was ordering anyway. The only thing that's in here are some corn tortillas, which aren't moldy from what I can see, which is concerning. It's been 4 months. And this was some vegan cream cheese that is definitely not supposed to be that separated from the sides, and some unopened dates. Anyway, I definitely needed fresh groceries. I'm so out of it. I stayed up for like 3 hours, and then finally I ordered my Prime groceries that were supposed to come between 10 and 12. And then finally at like 9:45, my eyes were closing again. I was really tired and I was like, okay, I'll just take a little nap and then wake up in 20 minutes and check if my groceries are here yet. And I did that twice, and then I just woke up like 2 minutes before they arrived at 10:50. So the rain just barely started, so the tropical storm has not fully hit yet. So yeah, something I love about being in the city is that it's free to deliver Whole Foods on Amazon Prime. I don't know what this is. Oh, I got chicken. I forgot. I've never gotten chicken in this form, but I wanted some pre-cooked chicken. I got 2 of them. It's hard to tell because they measure by like pounds and ounces on the website, and when you're not in person, you don't know how much it's gonna be. So I got 2 of these, which is just a couple cooked chicken breasts, which is great. I just got a little punch strawberry thing of spring mix for said salad. The best things: iced coffee, oat milk. Hell yeah. I'm trying to decide if I want to go back to sleep or make some coffee. I ran some hot water through my coffee machine just to, like, you know, clean it out a couple times, and that's good to go if I wanted hot coffee, but it is so warm here. I struggled putting in my air conditioner last night. I didn't film it just because I was that much of a mess and I was like dripping sweat, but it was very warm in here when I got here. I got a couple snack foods. I got some gluten-free everything crackers just to have with hummus, which I didn't buy hummus, so I'll probably swing by a bodega or something in the next couple days too to get some other things that Whole Foods is out of. Got some popcorn. The Boom Chicka Pop kettle corn is the best, just like a little sweet treat. Some fresh corn tortillas, which I don't know, I was like half asleep when I was ordering this, so I didn't think through getting something to go in this. I guess I could do it with chicken. Some rice cake thin stackers. This reminds me of when I first moved in here, because these are, I don't know why these specific things were in my memory of like, I just came with these, some hummus, some carrots, and some frozen sausage when I moved into this apartment from my Airbnb. You guys, one sign that I knew it'd been forever since I was here is that I went to turn on the water in my sink yesterday, and I couldn't remember which side was hot and which side was cold because it's not marked on the sink. And you know, sinks switch back and forth, they're not all the same. But everything was super normal once I got here. Like, I swear it could have been that I just went to work and came back at the end of the day and nothing was different. Actually, the water drained out of the toilet, but I just flushed it once and it was back, so I don't know what was up with that. I got 2 sweet potatoes. They're all very non-ripe, so I can't use them yet, but I got some avocados. Probably all the better for this hot environment. I got a bag of green seedless grapes, my favorite summer snack. No cotton candy grapes, unfortunately. And as a dessert, I got these little Good Pop orange and cream bars, dairy free. They're very good. There you go. Now you can see them. 2 boxes of Applegate sausage for breakfast. That was my little grocery haul back in my apartment. And again, I'm probably going to need to get a few more things. I think I'm just hunkering down and not leaving my apartment just for the like first few days, because I want to make sure I don't like start to see symptoms or anything from the virus from traveling. So I'm gonna lay low. I mean, not to say I'm not gonna leave my apartment at all, because I do want to like go for walks and stuff, but at the same time, there is supposed to be a tropical storm and it's gonna be storming and raining, I think, for today at least, and maybe tomorrow. I think I'll make coffee instead of going back to sleep, but my body is physically so tired that it's like messing with me. You wouldn't think a 3-hour time difference would make that much of a difference, but I'm going to stay here, clean the apartment top to bottom. I was so worried about coming back to finding like bugs and all the worst case scenarios that could happen, and I haven't found anything out of the ordinary so far. So I'm crossing my fingers that I won't discover any while I'm cleaning, but the bathroom definitely needs cleaning. Everything really should just be like scrubbed down. We will get to cleaning. What's up, you guys? It has been most of the day already. Actually, no, I vlogged my groceries this morning. That feels like a lifetime ago. I've been up, I had coffee, and I just finished editing my traveling vlog. I have a mess. This is not as bad as it looks. I just need to like refold these clothes and put them in that bag for Newly to drop off at UPS eventually. Unpack my suitcase, take out some trash. I wanted to look for, I'm pretty sure it's in here. I have masks, yes, from the past when I went to Coachella. So I have this one, which is like a little, like it looks like something from Invader Zim. Why is that the first thing I thought of? I didn't even watch that show. And then I also have, I have another teeth one. They're like kind of creepy ones. And I can also wear my freaking crown on the streets to protect me from corona. I definitely want to stock up and get a few more just for variety, because I don't do laundry often enough, and I'd rather put them in the wash than wash them by hand just to make sure they get really clean. And put this stuff away. Oh, look at all these rings, actually. Maybe I should wear these. I also have my Coachella glitter, a bun maker. Cool. I did put some water on my plant this morning. Yeah, this is what he's looking like. I posted a picture on my Instagram story, and people said that, you know, it's not a lost cause. Someone said I could just cut it off at the stems to regrow it, which kind of looks like is what was done before, actually, now that I look at that. But I feel like there's still, like this one especially is still so green. I don't know about these. I definitely will just cut these off and keep watering it and see what happens the next week or so. I have faith. Last night when I was putting this in the window, I was like, okay, I need stuff to put on the sides, stat. And I need to repurchase an accordion thing to put on it, which actually I should do that right now. I was like, oh, this fits perfectly. And then this was like a box of mail that was outside my door that I didn't even open before I put it in the window, and now it's taped into my window. And I still want to open it and see what's inside. So maybe I'll just cut it open from the window and leave the box in it. Let's see how these look on. Yep, it's definitely creepy. This is more comfortable, I feel like. Yeah, I got a pack of these a couple years ago for Coachella on Amazon, and they also came with a pig nose one that I gave to my friend Sophie. What was Sierra's? Oh, I think Sierra's was like a little teddy bear face, and I got the creepy smile. Yeah, comment down below your favorite place to get cute masks online. Do I dare try and open this thing in the window? Why not? Oh, I forgot. This is a product I'm trying out for a brand. Stay tuned. It's gonna be a secret for now. I should probably take it out of my window. Okay, I cleaned up this area quite a bit. I got all of this stuff out of there. I had some boxes that I hadn't unpacked when I left. I got my Newly all ready to be shipped out. I just need to unpack my suitcase because I really want this to be clear, because this is gonna be my home workout. This is my home gym, this strip of floor right here. Basically what I'm gonna do is just lay out a yoga mat and do, I think I'm gonna pick up the Chloe Ting workouts again, because I can't go to a gym here. I don't think I'd want to, and this is pretty much my option. I guess I could go work out in a park, but not in this weather. So I'm kind of considering rearranging my room once again. Remember when I first moved in, what I did was have the headboard of the bed against that corner. The mirror was over there. I don't know what I would do without lamp, because that's new. And then the dresser drawers were at the foot of the bed. So then there was more floor space like this way, and it definitely made the room feel a little bit bigger, but I moved it this way once the heater was turned on, because I thought it would be safer without the mirror leaning against it. So I don't know, it was kind of a hassle to move everything by myself. I don't even remember how I moved the dresser, because that thing is so heavy. Might consider it again to have some more space in the summer, because I did like it like that. So let me know your thoughts. Next, I'm gonna wipe down the kitchen. I kind of already started that. I'm charging my vacuum so I can clean my floors. This stuff is like the gift that keeps on giving. These are the Truman's cleaning products. I did a video with them back in the fall, and it's basically like refillable, reusable. They send you the cleaning product in this thing, and then you just fill it up with water, and when you stab it through with the nozzle, it disperses the product into the water. It's like non-toxic. This one's floors, green is kitchen, and blue is glass. So it's the gift that keeps on giving because I don't have to keep buying cleaning products. I just get cartridges to refill with water. But yeah, so let me grab a rag, and then we'll just use the kitchen spray to kind of just wipe everything down and freshen up. I'm also gonna light my champagne toast candle. It's the only candle I have that isn't like strictly Christmas. So get a nice little scent going. This might be the first time it's being burned. Or no, I think I lit it once. Yes. This handy dandy tool is linked on my Amazon page down below, as always. Got my handy dandy rag.
On the day I woke, so as well.
I washed all these dishes earlier.
Gave out I could with my heart. Oh.
Much better. Kitchen is pretty good. I'm gonna do the floors last, but now go to the bathroom. Oops. Whoops. He was in the way. Instant unpack in 3, 2, 1. Boom. All unpacked, all empty. So now I think I'm gonna put a couple of my like puffy winter coats in here because I don't need them. So I can kind of store them away when I put them back. Oh, it works. This one can go. Well, that's full. I have to take this one down so I can put this one up and then put that one back. And then I'll finally have clear space here. Ta-da! Clear space. This is amazing because usually my suitcase would just sit there for like a few days. So happy with the floor space. Anyway, I pretty much got all of the apartment stuff I wanted to get done today out of the way. I still need to order the what are those called? The accordion things that go on the sides of this. I think I'm gonna watch a movie and go to sleep somewhat early. It's like 9 something. Yeah, it's 9:30, so I think I'm gonna wind down. And yeah, so I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Okay, hello, it is the next day. I just got up and took a little walk around my neighborhood. I meant to film something, but I didn't really get any clips. I took a picture of a painting, so I'll put that in. Wow, I came back and decided it was time to build my home gym. She's built. I kind of want to buy some dumbbells or something, but I remember at the beginning of quarantine they were sold out everywhere because they're really expensive to ship. This is going to be my home workout space. I just made toast in my air fryer this time. Back to the no toaster life. I swung by a little bodega really quick just to pick up, ooh, this side is, I'll do it like that. Because I didn't get any gluten-free bread, so I got some Canyon Bakehouse gluten-free bread. This is hot. Whoop, swoop. That was actually quite easy. I put it at between 320 and 400, so probably like 375 for 4 or 5 minutes. A nice ripe avocado. And there was like no one there, which was nice. I'm really thrown back to when I would just like make vlogs before work in my apartment. Here we go. Starting the 2-week shred again. I actually don't know if I'm gonna stick to it strictly. Let's do it. Hello, I am now out of the shower. I did my Chloe Ting workout. I just did those 2 videos, the HIIT one and the abs one. Actually, I want to turn this light off. Anyway, I am about to get on FaceTime with my friends. We have a little book club. We all read One Day in December. So, we're gonna discuss it. Hello, Messy.
Hi.
How you doing?
I'm good. How was New York? Those 200 square feet really missed you.
Yeah, literally. Like the lines before the pandemic were so bad that I don't even want to know what it's like now.
To get in?
Mm-hmm. Well, actually not to get in, but like my Trader Joe's, it's like you get in the store and you immediately get in line to check out because the line snakes through the entire store and everyone just shops while they're in line.
Trader Joe's down the street from our place always has a line like curved all the way out the door.
Got off FaceTime. We talked for a couple hours about the book and other things, but I just made dinner. Thought I'd show you. This lighting is not optimal. I made a little salad with, it's kind of like the mackerel bowl I started doing at home. Just grilled chicken with sweet potatoes. The sweet potatoes my Whole Foods delivery got were like the white kind that I think are either technically yams or technically sweet potatoes, but the one that I don't usually get, that doesn't really make sense. But comment down below if it's sweet potatoes or yams that are white. Anyway, avocado, and I put some crunchy chickpeas on top. So that's my salad. I had some balsamic vinegar to put on top, and it's pretty yummy. I'd recommend. So I'm eating this, watching Brooke's moving vlog. She just posted exciting stuff. Again, like, I'm laying low, so I feel like these vlogs might be kind of boring because I didn't even vlog like what New York City is like. You're just seeing the inside of what my apartment is like. So I'm gonna finish this and I'll catch you guys later. What is up, you guys? It's the next day, or next to next, I don't know. I've edited this video up to this point, but I just wanted to kind of wrap it up in a nice little bow. I'm getting ready right now. I have like a video business call later this afternoon. Oh, this brush got all messed up on the airplane. I had to just get this vlog done and pre-uploaded because I'm actually sending in my laptop to get the keyboard fixed. I mentioned in my last vlog making an appointment with Apple, but I wanted to wait to send it until I got back to Brooklyn at least. So that's happening this afternoon. Once I'm done with my business call, then I'll be like better to let go of my laptop because I don't know how long they're gonna take it. But let's hope it's super quick because I think I might just like film a week in my life, readjusting to New York and, you know, getting my COVID test, maybe exploring a little bit, we'll see what happens. Anyway, yeah, it's just been a nice few days chilling in my apartment, not really doing anything crazy. This entire vlog has taken place in my apartment, but you know, I love this setting, so can't complain. I have yet to rearrange anything. Like I mentioned before, I'm not exactly sure what I want to do yet. I might do a couple more measurements and kind of like play around with things. Today is a beautiful day. I think the tropical storm pretty much passed without actually coming to much fruition. Like there was some rain, but I didn't notice any even like high wind or any storm-like weather. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed just this first few days back in my apartment vlog, unpacking, cleaning, getting groceries. I don't know, it definitely feels like kind of weird being here just because I haven't been in the city yet. I've just been here for a few days. It's like I'm here, but I'm not here because I haven't seen New York City. It's a very weird feeling. We're gonna adjust and adapt and do the best we can amidst this pandemic. So I'm gonna finish getting ready, make my avocado toast, and then I will wrap it up so I can upload this. I am wrapping up the vlog now. I just had a little bit of brunch, my avocado toast as usual. I'm about to jump on my call, so I wanted to upload this footage so I could edit it. Thanks for watching this vlog. I hope you enjoyed, even though I was just chilling at home the whole time of me getting back into, you know, the swing of things in my apartment in New York, getting things together. So love you guys so much. Subscribe if you're not already, because I'm going to be vlogging my whole process of, you know, kind of getting back into New York and what it is like in the pandemic. So love you guys, and I'll see you next time.